so lively and quick. I knew in a moment it just be safe it. Wait, hold on a second. To the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash her away. Wait, now dash away all. As dry leaves before the wild hurricane fly. When they meet with an amount to the sky.
When I go under the Christmas tree, then that means I'm a present.
You're a present? Okay. Oh, you got a bow. Can we pull it and then wrap you?
Horses they flew with a sleigh full of toys and Saint Nicholas too. And then in a twinkling, I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. As I drew in my head, I was turning around. Down the chimney, St. Nicholas came with a bound. He was dressed all in fur from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys he had slung on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack. His eyes held a twinkle, his dimples how merry. His cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry.
The next is a snow fairy. Are you a snow fairy now?
Drawn little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the beard on his
Keep your feet on there.
was as white as the snow. The stump of a pipe he held tight in his teeth, and the smoke
Get a little.
his head. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old elf, and I laughed when I saw him. In spite of myself, I winked a wink of his eye and a twist of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work and filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk. And laid his finger at the side of his nose, and giving a nod up the chimney he rose.
I'm going up the chimney.
To his sleigh, and to his team he gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of the
How does it end, Meg?
Now.
But I heard him
Aren't you supposed to go, whoa?
exclaim
Isn't that your
as
new
the
one?
drove out
Dear
of
God,
sight.
whoa,
Merry
dear God.
Christmas to all.
In heaven almighty.
All a good night.